Hey friend, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you are new. It is early in the morning, the sun is not directly overhead just yet, and this is the perfect time for me to get the clothes on the line. I wish I could do this every time I have to do laundry, but some days I do, even with the best intentions, I do end up outside with the sun directly over top of me, and those days are hard. But anyhow, today is not one of those days. I'll be here with you for 15 minutes, so if you have some laundry to get done, let's do it together.
Yeah, yeah. It gets confusing when you say you love me, when you say that we're just friends. You must be thinking this is just a game. I'm not interested to play. I'm looking for something real. Won't you tell me how you feel? What your true intentions are? Boy, you'll have to raise the bar if you want me, baby. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering. I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me, yeah. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth, this back and forth, this back and forth.
This particular load that I am doing today is mostly mommy and baby clothes. There are a few of hubby's items in there as well, but it's mostly my clothes and the baby's clothes.
I'm gonna have to let you go if you don't wanna let me know.
If you're new here, my name is Bevy and this is Embracing Life. On this channel, I share content about my life, and apparently I do a lot of laundry, so there's quite a bit of that. But there's a little bit of other stuff as well. You'll find some grocery hauls and a couple of vlogs sprinkled in. A little bit of house updates here and there as well. So if you like that sort of content, I invite you to subscribe and join my embracing family. I'd love to see you in the comments saying hello, letting me know that you are new, so I can give you the official welcome.
Tired of feeling so low, just say yes or say no. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering. I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me, yeah.
Guys, this is one of my older videos. I recorded it and I don't know why it's still sitting here unedited and not uploaded to the channel, so I'm going back and looking over my recordings, editing and uploading in that order, because I like to look back on my videos and I want them to be in chronological order. So when I'm old, I can remember, things how they happen. So you'll see that the line it looks fine in this video. If you watched previous videos, you would have known that it broke. So this is a video from before the line broke.
Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage
find it interesting that in most of the laundry videos that I watch, I'm not seeing any underwear. But y'all know that I wear underwear, right? Because I'm human. Well, I guess not all humans wear underwear, but I'm one of the humans that wear underwear, so I don't see why I should blur it out or leave it out of the video or edit that part out of the video. I mean, I don't know. I don't see the big deal, so you'll see my underwear and my panties and my bras, and you'll see me folding underpants and that sort of stuff. It's real laundry day over here, guys. Real laundry day.
Just say yes or say no. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth.
So the items in this load that belong to hubby were some new items. So I think I either put them in towards the end of the wash cycle or I put them in on the rinse cycle. I'm one of those people that like to wash clothes before I wear them, and that goes for everybody in the house. As long as they bring the clothes here, if they're new, I'm gonna wash them before they wear them, unless it's socks, because that's going on your feet. But I feel like everything else you should wash, because you never know. That's how I feel. So if I do like a clothing haul and I'm washing a bunch of stuff, I will just toss them in the washer for a quick wash cycle. But if it's just two things or just a couple of handful of stuff, I will toss them in towards the end of a wash cycle or into a rinse cycle, depending on how well I time the washer. Guys, right here I'm sorting the clothes, like I'm putting pants in one little pile, onesies in one little pile, shorts in one little pile. When it's cool outside or when I'm not in the direct sun, this is the kind of thing I do with my laundry, and you'll notice that the clothespins are matching going around the line. That's how I behave when the sun is not hot. If you're working with me, we are 9 minutes into the video. I hope you are getting something done with me. So here we have it. That's where the sun is by the time I'm done, and this is my almost full line of clothing. I don't hang clothes on every line. I skip a line so they have space to breathe, I tell myself. So this day, the rain came down out of nowhere and I had to bring the whole line inside. I see the time of night after 10:15, and this clothesline is on my couch. But you know that is mommy life for you. So yeah, I'm just pulling these off now, and then I'm gonna sort them in piles of what's mine and what's the baby's and so forth. And then I'm gonna put them away. If you're new, I hang my baby's clothes, so I don't fold them. But for this particular video, I don't have the clip of me putting them away, but you will see me sorting them. So we are 11 minutes in the video for those of you who aren't actively watching and just listening while you're doing your laundry stuff. We have around 4 minutes left to go. So guys, we're at 15 minutes. Here are the clothes all sorted. If you made it this far, thank you so much for spending 15 minutes of your life with me. And I'll see you right here in another couple of days with a brand new video. Bye!